They don't need my kind of talent in that race. Dean, fill us in on who the celebrity drivers are going to be too. I'd be interested to know.
Well, we have Bill Michaels,
The big unit.
the big unit, yes. Big Coleman factor, like big Coleman factor.
I think my money might be on Lance Allen, to be honest with you.
Been around cars his whole life.
It is time for the 18-lap Thunder Stock feature, formerly known as the Kane and Stipik Show, but not anymore. No. Not unless they finish 1-2 again. That's the way it's been so far. Jake Larson will start on the pole with the number 21 car. Jim Bensler on the outside. He's in car number 6. Second row inside is the 83 of Troy Martangilio. On the outside is car number 26, Jack Stern. Third row inside, John Daly. The 35 of John Daly. On the outside of the number 8 car, Brian Terrell. Fourth row inside, 92 is Jesse Knudsen. On the outside, it's the 27 of Stephanie Lozanecki. Then it's the number 5 car of Aaron. That's the number 3 car,